Alright guys, the AI video generation war just got a lot crazier. After Bytedance's Wan 2.5 and OpenAI's Sora 2 Pro, Google has officially dropped its brand new VEO 3.1, and it's looking seriously powerful. Now, I'm not going to do any comparison stuff today. Nope, we're diving straight in to see what this new beast can actually do. We'll explore its new features, test its real-world capabilities, and discover what's actually improved from VEO 3. So yeah, buckle up, this is gonna be fun. Let's roll. Alright, so first, just head over to their official website called Flow. And yep, right here you can clearly see VEO 3.1 is officially live. Now, there are some really cool new options here. For example, there's an image to video mode, and guess what? You can now add up to 3 images at once. They've also added a highlight first to last frame feature and a duration extension option, which now goes up to 8 extra seconds. So yeah, some solid upgrades. Alright, let's actually try this out. Click on New Project, and here you'll get the option to select VEO 3.1. I'm choosing the fast version since it only uses 20 credits, perfect for quick testing. Now I'll go with the text to video option and type in a simple prompt. You can see it on the screen. A boy is running scared on an empty, dark road. And here's what it gave me. Honestly, it looks very similar to the old VEO 3, but here's where it gets interesting. Let's test the new scene extension feature. So, imagine the boy runs to a nearby door, knocks, and a girl opens it. They talk for a bit. That's our extended scene. To do that, click on Add to Scene, and on the right side, you'll see Switch to Scene Builder. Click that. Now, inside Scene Builder, hit the little plus icon. You'll see 2 options, Jump to and Extend. Since I want to continue the story, I'll click on Extend, then I'll type my new prompt here, just like this. Once that's done, I hit Generate, and this is what I got.
Thanks for saving me. This area isn't safe, sir. You shouldn't have come here.
Honestly, the visual consistency is insane. But yeah, the dialogue delivery was kinda messy, so I refined the prompt, clearly mentioning what the boy and the girl should say. And boom!
Thanks for saving me. This area isn't safe, sir. You shouldn't have come here.
The result was 100% accurate. So yeah, the scene extension feature in VEO 3.1 absolutely nailed it. Definitely a big improvement from the previous version. But hey, I've got a few more tests lined up, so stick around. This is just getting started. Alright, now let's test the ingredients to video option and see what kind of improvements we've got here. So here's the situation. I want to create a scared girl inside a shining horror set. For that, I'm uploading 3 things. The shining set image as ingredient 1, the girl's image as ingredient 2, and her outfit as ingredient 3. Then I added my text prompt, which you can see on the screen right now, but unfortunately, it failed to generate the result. Apparently, it was because of the image resolution issue. I even tried generating it 3 times, still the same story. So I decided, alright, let's switch it up and try something different. This time, I want to show a warrior standing in a battlefield. So first, I'll click on the ingredients to video option again. And this time, instead of uploading, I'll generate the scene image directly inside Flow. Click on the plus icon under ingredient 1, select Generate Image, and now we'll enter our image prompt. By the way, I already got some awesome AI prompts for images and videos, courtesy of ChatGPT just said. So let's test that out. I'll paste my battle area prompt here, set the output to 1 image, and click Generate. Here's what I got. And yeah, that looks perfect for our scene. Click on Save as New Ingredient, and boom, it's added. You can do the same for your character and outfit ingredients too. Once everything's ready, I'll drop in my final prompt, hit Generate, and oh wow, this one came out amazing. So yeah, there are still some restrictions in VEO 3.1, but you can still create really impressive results if you tweak your inputs properly. All right, now let's check out the first and last frame option. Let's see how that performs. So I'll select frame to video, add my first frame and last frame, and type in this prompt. Zoom to his face, he's crying, he says, "Everything is finished." Let's see what it cooks up.
Everything is finished.
And here's the result. Honestly, pretty decent. Smooth transitions, consistent look. I'd say it passed this test. Okay, now let's see how well VEO 3.1 can add objects into existing videos. So I generated this couple scene earlier using VEO 3.1. Looks quite good. Now I want to add a dog into it. To do that, I'll click on the edit icon on top of the video where you'll see an insert option. Now I'll drop my prompt here. Add a small golden retriever dog sitting on the rug in front of the couple, looking toward them happily. And here's the result. Honestly, super impressive. The dog blends into the scene naturally, looks adorable. So yeah, VEO 3.1 passes the add object test, but I couldn't find any option to remove specific objects from the video. So I'm guessing the remove tool isn't working yet. If anyone figures that out, let me know in the comments below. Eyes. All right, time for the ultimate test. I'm gonna try to recreate that crazy fight scene from Wan 2.5. Last time, VEO 3 couldn't come anywhere close to Wan 2.5's level. And sadly, even now, VEO 3.1 still can't fully match it. But it's definitely better than the previous version. Some of the action scenes actually look pretty solid. So yeah, in conclusion, VEO 3.1 is basically an improved version of VEO 3, but it still has a lot of restrictions. If Google really wants to compete with Wan 2.5 or Sora 2 Pro, they'll need to work on these limitations fast. That said, it's still a great video generation tool and definitely worth checking out. And if you haven't already, I've got a detailed comparison video between VEO 3 and Wan 2.5. It's right there on your end screen. Go check it out next.